Shritama and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. It finally feels good to be saying this after a really long time. For some reason, I don't know, I have kind of lost my inspiration. Aaj bhi, I have really gathered myself and sat down to make this video. Anyways, we're not going to be talking about that. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing everyone's favorite Zudio ke makeup. Now, I mostly have eye makeup and a little bit of lip makeup here and there. Honestly, Zudio का उतना collection है भी नहीं. Now, Zudio धीरे-धीरे बहुत सारा makeup launch कर रहा है. I got my hands on some of the eye makeup and lip makeup. They do have cheek tints, bronzers and I think a skin tint, but I didn't really want to go ahead and waste money behind those things. Anyways, without me ranting much, let's actually dive into this video. Also guys, if you're here on my channel for the very first time, hi, I'm Shritama. I make beauty and lifestyle content here on YouTube. Take a minute, subscribe to my channel, would mean the world to me, and you can also follow me on my Instagram. The handle is right here on the screen. And now without me blabbering much, let's actually dive into this video. Also, I want to give a disclaimer, not all the products are owned by me. I have borrowed it from one of my friend Gargi. So she had a lot of makeup products from Zudio, so I thought why spend more money when you can just borrow from your friend. So I would just like to go shout out to Gargi for letting me all these products. So the first product is this sparkly kajal from Zudio and it's in the shade blue, and I think this retails for $79. I did use up quite a bit of it on my eyelid and as you can see it is not the best, if you will. Now 79 rupees में मैं ज़्यादा कुछ expect भी नहीं करी. It's a shimmery kajal and it is extremely soft and creamy for some reason. Okay, so I think kajal से ज़्यादा you can use it like an eyeshadow topper, but do not do the mistake of blending it out because I did that. Blend out करोगे तो it will just completely go away. It won't stay there. You can see you blend it out and blends and fades away into nothingness. And if you blend it out, ये थोड़ा सा green लगेगा rather than blue. So I have just let it be, and I think it will set itself in some time. ज़्यादा ट्रांसफर अभी तक तो ये नहीं हुआ. I don't know in the longer run क्या होगा, but I think it does look decent. You can make do with it, and I mean 79 rupees में you can use it literally as an eyeshadow stick. So I think it is quite a decent product. You can go for it. Next up, I have this intense kajal in the shade blue, and this one also retails for $79. Now this is in a matte blue shade, and I have that on my waterline. And actually, when I was applying it, you can see by my reaction, I was quite pleasantly shocked by it. Of course, एक ही application में आपको jet blue pigment नहीं मिलेगा, but I did use it 2-3 times and इतना pigmentation इसने मुझे दिया है. And it's a matte blue kajal, mind you guys, not sparkly. So matte blue का formulation भी थोड़ा different होता है, and I can feel it. The formulation on this is a little different. It's a little bit more waxy compared to that one. This claims to be smudge proof, but I'm not really sure about the claims. But I actually like this kajal more than that one. तो आपको दोनों में से लेना है तो I would suggest take this one. I think this comes in a couple more shades like green and brown. So 79 rupees में you can try with some colorful kajals. Also I would like to give a disclaimer कि Zudio के makeup के ऊपर कोई ingredients नहीं है और ना ही there is any certification. So if you're applying these products on your skin, you be very careful. Now I know it's a Tata product, it should essentially be safe, but still there's no certification, there's no ingredient list. Just barely आपको एक छोटा सा sticker मिलेगा जिसमें the quantity and the manufacturing and the expiry is written. And I feel in today's day and age as a consumer that is just not enough. For the next product, as you can guess, जितना blue makeup से मैं experiment कर ही रही थी, yes, I have yet another blue eyeliner. Now this is their blue liquid eyeliner, and I think this is for ₹99 again only. Now I did really like this liner because इसका tube to shaft ratio देखो, it's absolutely perfect. And I think for liquid liners, if you have a bigger shaft length, it really helps in drawing precision ऐसे wings बनाने में. So I really like that. Now this is a matte sky blue color. The tip on this one is also great as well. I mean, you can draw as thick or as thin lines as you want. Now I do feel that this product can be a little patchy and you need to layer it on, but I'm not really complaining because 99 में you're getting a colored eyeliner and not really any brand does that really, and quantity भी आपको इसमें अच्छा खासा मिल रहा है. I think they again have 2-3 more shades, those brown, green and black eyeliner also they have in this same packaging, so you can check that out as well. Moving on to the mascaras, I have 2 mascaras with me. One is in this tube packaging and one is in this regular mascara like packaging. Now both of these look really tiny and mini, but you best believe both of these contain the same amount of product. Now first look में I really like the wand of this tube packaging वाला. It is like that hourglass shape wala wand, really attractive, and this normal tube wala packaging ka wand is also very normal. I really didn't have much expectations from this one because I also heard not many people liking it, but actually out of the two, if you would ask me, I like this one better. I have this one on my left eye and this one on my right eye, and you can see I feel like this one gave me a little bit more volume and length as well, and this hourglass one I feel like is just good for lengthening. So both of these are not maybe the bestest mascara for the price you're paying. Both of these, by the way, retail only for ₹199. Next, I have these products from Zudio, and it is their cosmetic makeup sponges. These are the very famous triangle pizza puff sponges, if you will, and the set of 2 retails only for ₹79. Now, अगर आपको Zudio से कुछ भी नहीं लेना, you can definitely try and get this one. Now, I know it may seem a little stupid, like 2 puffs के लिए ₹80, but this is really fantastic. इसका जो shape है, if I wouldn't have used this product, I wouldn't know. This really goes into the crevices of your eyes and does, powder really well. I've only used this for powdering. I've not yet used it to blend my foundation or something, but I'm pretty sure this can do that as well. And I always keep this puff with me on the go because, whenever you're outside, you're sweating, you're producing oil, this does really help in taming that down. Just with a little bit of compact powder, I can just set my face wherever I am on the go. I really love this product, and 79 is essentially like 40 rupees ka ek puff. So I think it's quite justified. Online these are much more expensive, so I would rather buy it from Zudio. ये और भी 2-3 colors में आता है if I'm not wrong, but I obviously chose the black one because I really liked it and I just love it. It's the perfect density, perfect soft भी है. It's just amazing, and you guys, I really love this one. So lip products के लिए I have 2 products. One is this normal bullet lipstick and one is this liquid lipstick. This one retails only for ₹99 and this one retails for ₹149. Starting off with this normal bullet lipstick, it's in the shade Creme Mauve Nude N05, and this is what the shade looks like. I actually really like this shade. I had also applied this shade with this makeup, but I think it just like washed me out a little bit. This shade with a lip liner I think would just suit my skin perfectly. Now इसके भी बहुत सारे shades आते हैं, you can check for yourself. And this is I think a very close dupe to the Maybelline's Nude Nuance, which is for ₹300 almost if I'm not wrong, and this one is for $99. So that is like literally 1/3 the price. Finish wise, this has a little bit of a glossy or a satin finish, but it's quite a comfortable formula. It won't bother you, and like it's quite moisturizing on the lips as well, and the pigment payoff is also quite nice. Just that मैंने देखा कि when you're rubbing your lips, it can so happen that the pigments transfer on your bottom and upper lips, and थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे patchy लग सकता है आपको, but again that's on you. ज़्यादा lips मत rub करो while you're applying and you'll be good to go. And the last lip product I have from them is their liquid lipstick in the shade Choco Crave BR02, and that is something which I have on my lips right now. Now इसका problem ये है कि first of all it's not very pigmented right off the bat. Now when I'm using the product, I do not take off any product from the wand. I directly apply it on my lips, and still it is very less pigmented. मतलब इसको you need to layer on at least 2 to 3 times to get at least an opaque finish. Again, the same problem previous lipstick की तरह, if you rub your lips too much, it can get a little patchy. I think this is the new formulation. It feels a little bit too drying, and when you press your lips together, it kind of ऐसे चिपक जाता है like this. It's a bit of stretchy feeling, which I really don't like. So pass on this one really, because I expected better, and the color honestly looks stunning. It looks really pretty, and especially for darker skin tones, ऐसा brown color suits us really well. But I don't know, I was really disappointed. The Coffee Break का formula, which I bought like 2 months ago, was a much better formula. So definitely pass on this one. I wouldn't recommend it. For testing out the last product, I have a couple of swatches on the back of my hand, and I'm going to be testing this eye makeup remover wipes from Zudio. Now this one retails only for ₹29, and इसमें कितने wipes है वो कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है. But I do like इसके पीछे थोड़ा सा information दिया है like about the ingredients and the microns of these tablets. Most of these makeup products are from Zudio, and 2 products are from my own collection. Let's see ये कितना अच्छा wipe कर पाता है. I honestly have no expectations from this one, because as you can see, I've tried it before and it was a त्रास and a half to get makeup off. So let's try it now and let's see कितनी efficiently and कितनी easily this can take off the makeup. And I'm not applying much pressure. Okay, I must say, if you see right here, that blue kajal really smudge proof. Wow. कि Zudio मतलब ये खुद के ही मेकअप को रिमूव नहीं कर पा रहा, मतलब कुछ भी. So definitely ये for the blue kajal on my part. Okay, I'm really struggling to get this off. Wow. Now honestly this didn't do the best job and I'm not really happy with it. Definitely I don't think कोई waterproof makeup इससे उठेगा. I'm really rubbing in really hard, you guys. I thought लोहा काटता है, ये अगर खुद का ही प्रोडक्ट ना मिटाए तो कैसा मेकअप है भैया.